That's what she's going to do.
Are you ready?
Here, you just video it. You're doing it now.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Redneck ringer.
One more time.
Hey.
One more time.
One more time. High five, y'all. Oh, that's funny. Hey, Sam. Jump on it. Hold on, wait, get this one. This is funnier than ever. One.
What am I doing, Ian?
He's going to jump on it when it rolls. Come on, Sam. Ready?
Do that again. I didn't get it. Do that again. I didn't get it.
Hell no. That hurt.
Tell everybody your name.
Sam Brooks. I got a busted butt cheek.
This is our redneck barbecue.
Don't show the baby, they'll call someone on us.
She's got a geese up in the This is how we turn her on.
Take that beer out of her hand.
Four-wheel drive. Do it again, Sam.
Yeah, come on, Sam.
I didn't get to see it.
I'll give you $5. Sam, I'll give you $5.
$5. Shake you swear? Shake on it.
On payday.
No, now shake on it.
Hey, you got $5 on you? $5 for redneck ring toss. Redneck ringer.
Redneck ringer. You do it. $5, Sam. I'll do it. Shake on it.
I can't give it to you right now.
It's $5.
Unless you take plastic. But I'm going to stand on this end so I could say it.
Your head. It was my head. No, you threw your arms in it. Your head.
Dude, yeah, but it's going to give me a red ring around my neck.
That's hence the name Redneck Ringer. Huh?
Yeah, go fit it. There you go. Hold up.
There's the thrower.
Wait a minute. Wait for these cars.
And there's the catcher.
Wait for these cars. No.
Your head. Go. You ready? Catch it. Oh, this gonna hurt. I don't know.
Let me see. Turn around, Sam. Sammy, turn around.
Wait a minute. I think I broke my nose.
Let me see. It's not bleeding.
My nose doesn't bleed. My nose doesn't bleed.
He said, I think I broke my nose.
It's on the other side of his cheek now.
Where's
I
my
can't
$5?
breathe.
Where's my $5?
I told you, you can take MasterCard.
Thank you. Freaking hurt.
Was it worth it?
Yeah. Feel my top lip.
Rhonda, what do you think about your brother-in-law?
Sure it's broken? Is it swollen?
It was funny just
You look better than you did before.
There's my brother.
Oh my God.
There's Sammy 10 years from now.
That's what happens when you keep getting tires on your
I
head.
want to see that.
Nose is all red.
I want to see it.
Like